Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So, a cold winter has arrived in the northern hemisphere and my home island of Kikai also getting colder and colder these days. So today I'm gonna introduce you a chicken bowl pot which is perfect for cold days. So this chicken bowl pot is made according to a recipe from the popular anime Jujutsu Kaisen that I watched on Netflix, but there were no instruction on how much to use ingredients, so I made my own adjustment. And also in Japan, pot dishes, in Japan say nabe. Nabe dishes are usually made in earthenware pot like this one. But today I'm gonna use a regular pot for ease of preparation. So let's get through the cold winter together with this recipe. So okay, let's get started.
So okay, these are the ingredients for the chicken bowl. So I use more ginger, 30 gram, as it has a warming effect on the body. So okay, and these are the other ingredients for the pot. You can use silken or cotton tofu, whichever you like. And the ponzu mentioned at the end is a seasoning made by adding the soya sauce to citrus juice. So you may haven't had much of it before, but it's a popular condiment these days and you may be able to get it in your local supermarket. So okay, the first step is to prepare the vegetables. So first, let's make a grated ginger. So peel with a spoon and grate with a zester. So, and then cut the leek diagonally. The thickness should be roughly 1 cm. So next, peel the carrots, and it's a hassle to change it to a knife, so I just peel them. So, and then next, cut the cabbage into bit-sized pieces. So next, cut the shiitake mushroom in half. So first, cut off the stem of mushrooms. I couldn't get mushroom this time, so I used the shiitake mushroom, which are similar in shape instead. Okay, finally, cut the tofu into bit-sized pieces. If you want to eat more, add as much as you like. So next, prepare the pot. So add 1200 ml of water and 1 stick of granulated dashi, in grams that's 8 grams. So set the heat to medium and bring to the boil. So, and then while the pot is heating up, make the chicken balls. So add the 250 grams of chicken mince in a bowl first. So next, in goes 30 grams of grated ginger and egg yolk. So, and then salt and black pepper to taste. So, excuse me, I almost forgot. So, finally add the chopped spring onion and combine. So, mix until the ingredients are well combined. And in the animation, it's explained that you can also add egg whites if you feel hassle. But I won't recommend it because the dough is gonna be too soft. So okay, that dough is ready. So next, let's shape it. So I'm gonna use a spoon to shape it, or you can also shape them with your hands. It's up to you. So if the shape is roughly round, so it's fine. So I made a total of 10 chicken balls from 250 grams of minced chicken. So, and then add the chicken balls to the boiling soup. So before adding the chicken balls, change the heat to medium-low and skim the scum of the top. So, and then add the chicken balls and cook for about 3 minutes.
3分経ちました。
So, okay, the chicken balls are about half cooked. So next, add the vegetables to the pot. So first, add the vegetables that takes a long time to cook. So I wanted to put the vegetables in the pot to make it looks beautiful, but it's difficult for my skill to arrange them well. So I will cheat by editing. So once all the vegetables have been added, cover and cook for a further 5 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. So okay, 5 minutes have passed, so let's see. So, okay, it's a little difficult to see, but the vegetable and the chicken both are cooked enough. So, make it look nice and finish with a baby leaf on top. So, the pots that Itadori makes are not topped with baby leaves, but I use these because they are ready to use and look beautiful. Doesn't it look nicer? So, the finished nabe is served with ponzu. The citrusy sauce goes perfectly with the hot pot. So ponzu is a versatile sauce that can be poured over tofu or used as a salad dressing. So this is a great opportunity for you to use it. So okay, thank you for watching guys. If there are any Japanese manga or anime dishes that interest you, so please let me know in the comment box. I'd love to try them. So okay, see you in my next video. Bye!